guys, thanks for tuning in. Guess what we have in store coming up? Some OBS videos. I know y'all been dying to watch some. Enough of the Honda stuff. Let's get back on the OBS. Got some changes I want to do here. Y'all definitely got to stay tuned for that. We're going to change some stuff up. Switch her up a little. So yeah, I think it's going to look good. The idea I have. So definitely stay tuned for that. We got some issues to address on the OBS that we never fixed. Some stuff on the interior, stuff in the engine, stuff dealing with the blower motor. And we're going to make some changes on the outside too as well. So I know y'all been looking forward to some OBS C1500 videos. So that's where we're heading. So definitely stay tuned. We're also changing up some stuff in the garage here. Doing some cleaning up. Trying to get rid of these toolboxes, and we're going to buy a bigger toolbox and combine all of it together, hopefully. We'll see what happens. See if we can get a good deal. This one here we might keep, though, since we've already stickered it to death. But yeah, that is where we're at. We're going to get back on some OBS content. C1500 and no more Honda stuff. Get some good videos coming, get the views back up on the channel, because I know y'all like the truck content way better than the car content. So, but anyway, thanks for guys for watching all the channel's videos, regardless of what they are. Hopefully we'll get better at this YouTube video making stuff. So work in progress. So it's about midweek now. Hopefully y'all are having a good week. Leave a comment below on how your week is going. Let me know. Is it raining there? Is it sunny, snowing? You're working a whole lot, you're laid off, unemployed, whatever. Just leave me a comment below. Let me find out. And also, if y'all were interested in some like decals of the logo, comment below on that. See how many people would be interested in some, and then also what colors. So that way we kind of know what kind of vinyl to use to get some out there. And then also, if y'all know out there like a cheap way to display products without having to pay a whole bunch for a website, let me know in the comments below about that as well. That way I can list this stuff and y'all know where to get it. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the thumbs up. Wait for the next OBS C1500 content coming. We're going to have a whole lot coming. So also, if y'all have questions or if you're in the middle of working on your C1500, just leave that comments below, and then maybe I'll make a video and talk about it on mine, so you kind of have an idea if that's what you're looking for. So also, we get a lot of questions about the Power Window Universal mod, so I'll bring some videos about that to show y'all it's still working fine, works good, no problems. Door locks, that universal aftermarket door locks thing that I installed, is working good too. So I'll make an update video about all that stuff so y'all can kind of see that it's still going strong, even though it came from China. So anyway, we'll quit rambling. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.